Hi, I'm Penny from SmartFinancial. Let's talk about tips for driving safely during the fall. Fall has a high rate of fatal car accidents, making it the second most dangerous season for drivers behind summer. As a result, it's important to be prepared for the unique hazards you may encounter on the roads this autumn. If you're driving through rain, fog, ice, or darkness, you should drive more slowly than normal and keep more space between yourself and other cars. Meanwhile, if you're driving around sunrise or sunset, consider wearing some glasses to minimize the impact of glare. As school starts up again, keep an eye out for children walking and teenagers driving near school zones. In addition, you should always stop when a school bus has stopped in front of you. You should also keep an eye out for deer since animal collisions are most common in November. There are many other obstacles that fall drivers may encounter. For example, vehicle tire pressure tends to decrease more quickly in colder temperatures, while the beautiful fall leaves could make you more susceptible to a distracted driving crash. The best way to prepare yourself for when an accident does happen is to make sure you have the right insurance policy. Click the link in the description box below for a free car insurance quote through SmartFinancial.